So are you getting that error on your Samsung watch? Can't notify on watch. Oh, this is a little background music by Lift Operator. Let me pause that. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2, and it normally connects just fine to most Android phones, except once in a while you get this error. Can't notify on watch. To get notifications on your watch, allow Galaxy wearables, something, something. Yeah, well, it's already enabled, so I found a quick fix. You just turn this off. Wait for a second. Turn it back on. Allow notification access for yada yada yada. Yeah. And then click allow. And now that error message is gone. So that's how you fix that communication error between your non-Samsung smartphone, in this case a OnePlus, with your you'll probably get this error with the Samsung Active 2 or Active, or probably even the Galaxy Watch from 2018. And there you go. That's PH Digital with another quick smartwatch fix and tip.